when my son come up with these groceries, couldn't even bring up all of these groceries. This is my grocery haul for today, guys. I got water. I got half of everything today. I got drinks. So this is the first haul for today, guys. That's my son as he restocked the fridge. Guys, he's very helpful, guys. Guys, as I came out,
Part of it in?
yeah, as I came up to park, he had done came out and the landing because he had done already see me to come assist me because he know that I was coming back with groceries today. He is very helpful, guys, very helpful. That's Shako. Guys, I bought my saltfish for Holy Thursday. That's the restocking of the fridge, guys.